Hi to all traders and welcome to the first video of the trading week brought to you by Orbex. So not only have we seen fresh lows for cable, it's actually record lows. Since going back to 1985, we haven't seen this drop in prices, and this is all due to the fact that the new Chancellor has made these tax cuts, started borrowing more money and possibly plunging the UK into a confirmed recession. It's been said over the weekend that not only is it heading for a recession, but it could actually be in one right now. This is the reason for the drop. Big sell-off in the market as well on Friday, dropping by over 3% and actually touching the 103 handle as well. So what does this mean for cable and actually dollar in general, because dollar has been quite buoyant over most of its competitors, the dollar yen, euro dollar, pound dollar, all going in the favor of the American greenback. So we'll have to wait and see if this is going to have some kind of retracement. However, parity is on the book at the moment for cable at least. So let's see a dive right into the charts to see what we can see from these opportunities at the moment. Well, I'm just bringing it back on the weekly chart to see when the last time we saw these levels, and it was back in 1985, which is quite remarkable. So let's bring it up to date then. Let's go to a daily chart. We're now looking to see what the consequences are and the opportunities, obviously, for cable in the near term. Well, we're looking at the moment at this sharp sell-off, and with every sell-off there could be a slight correction and a move to the upside, but it is looking very, very buoyant at the moment, that it bears are fully in control. We are just seeing a touch of a retracement, because even though it did fall under the 104 handle, it is back up above 106 as we currently are live now with the chart. So if we go into the 4-hour chart, it just means that we have actually had a bit of propelment of roughly about 100 to 150 pips in the morning session, and there isn't really too much to dive into at the moment when we have such a sharp drop. However, if we are looking technically, we are just seeing where the bottom is. As you can see here, very large spike to the downside, but we're having a couple of bullish candles from the morning session, and as I said, a pickup of roughly 150 pips in just a few hours. So there are bulls getting back into the market. It just depends on how many there will be in that short space of time. And obviously there is supposed to be more tax cuts coming for the UK, and will this actually affect cable even further? But like I said before, we are seeing quite a move to the downside for a lot of the major competitors for the American dollar, and what we're seeing at the moment is the euro dollar doing the same thing as cable. We're having this very vast sell-off, but in the last few sessions, the last few hours, we have seen a couple of bullish candles, and as you can see here, a low of 0.9570 approximately, and now above almost 97. So you know, over 100 pip move in just a short space of time. So these retractions are really starting to see movement in the market. Very, very good opportunities, and this could be very good for the market in general, because it can be very predictable when there's such a sharp sell-off that there will be some kind of retracement as well. Just a quick look on the dollar yen as well, because this has been such a vastly moving dynamic. Sorry, wrong screen there. This has been such a vastly moving dynamic, and what we're seeing at the moment as well is, if you see the last few trading sessions, we are now seeing apparently a move to the upside once more. So we've had this sharp choppy action here, and now we're seeing another push to the upside as well. So what does that mean for the dollar yen? Well, it looks like we are seeing another leg to the upside, and this could mean that we are seeing another spike higher. I'm getting notifications all the time, obviously, when the when the pound is really starting to move. So we are now looking to see more and more bulls in the market for dollar yen, bears in the market for the other pound currencies where the dollar is the quote. But check out the pound in the next few trading sessions. It's looking very volatile. Obviously this could lead to very good movement as well, very good opportunities, and what we're seeing for the next move for the new Chancellor, the new government for the UK, it could be that they're trying to save an economy that has already actually been battered quite significantly. So will we see another round of inflation hikes? Will we see another round of interest rate hikes in the next coming days? Well, you have to think that the UK government will have to kind of counteract the falling pound with something, so expect some kind of hike this week alone. So we'll keep an eye on the headlines for you and keep bringing you all the latest in fundamentals and technicals to make sure that you are up to date and that you're not missing out on anything. So stay tuned. This video will be put on our YouTube channel, so feel free to comment, let me know your thoughts, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.